Google might be actively hiding your business from potential customers. That's right. No matter whatever the good product or service you are having, if your business is not appearing in Google search result, you are losing money day and night every day. Okay. So don't worry that. Now I'll show you in just 4 to 5 minutes what is the one issue and how you can fix that fast. So before going further, hey, hi, myself Inayat, a founder, Scale Up Today marketing and consulting agency, and Go Systemizer SaaS software company. So you are someone looking for any experts guidance. So we have full-fledged team. We are helping tons of business owners like you to scale their business, to get the more customer, more revenue, to whatever they are aiming. So if you are someone, if you also want to help our help, just click in below description. There is a link and book an appointment with me or my team. So we can discuss on that. So now coming to the point here that so you might have already set up your business. You might have already have the website. You might have already Google business profile, and you may be running the ads. But what at the end, if you are not getting calls, if you are not getting the directions, if you are not getting the customers, and what is happening, you will get into the frustration mode. That's what exactly happening in the most of the business. Despite of all, you are losing the business to the competitor. So Google algorithm is kind of complicated. You should not go against that. You should be play the its rule by becoming a right. You if you go against, you will become invisible. That means the customer are searching for your business with a particular keyword. They will find your competitor instead you. Okay, then you lose the business to the competitor. The most worst part is that business owners even don't even realize that what mistake they are doing that. And simply they are telling that I have profile, website, running that. But you should be realized and you go deep that and think that what the mistake we are doing here that. For example, one of the customer, what I worked, my client worked that they are best in their category, their business. They are from the custom tailoring. Okay, they do the suiting and all the things. When someone search, and also they are in the business so long, I think they are 20 plus years. When someone is searching on in the Google the best the tailor in the particular city, their was not appearing. And that exactly that. So what is happening that when they come to our the consulting, we deep dive and saw that there are three to four major issues we found in that business. Exactly that what issue and how we solve that, I'm going to reveal that. Okay. So once we fix those three to four issues, guess what, their call getting the become it's a 4 to 5x, and they are getting consistent the customer for their services and keep on going and increasing their revenue. So that's what you need, someone's expert, or maybe you need to deep dive into that what issue is happening and then strike that issue. Then your business will come up and you'll outbeat your competitor. So now, so what are the things you need to take care to beat your competitor, and you need to play the game algorithm game of Google, right? So what Google says that Google says follow my rules, and there are maybe 10 to 15 rules. If you follow that, you need not worry about the customers. You will get consistent customer for your businesses. So first point, step number one, what you need to take care of that. Optimize your Google My Business profile or GMB profile. Okay. So in that, again, you need to that make sure your profile is 100% complete and add your business name, address, phone number, category, and website. You need to add that. And upload high quality images and videos, that is to real, not stack image, not stack videos. Post regular content, post regular update about your business and your activities and whatever the local things what you are doing, because Google loves this. Step number two, get more reviews and engage with the customers. In that, point number one, Google rank businesses who are getting consistent and regular reviews. And most importantly, you need to respond to those reviews. It may be positive or negative. And you need to build the trust with the people who are giving the negative as a great customer support team. And these are the things. And step number three, fix your NAP. That means you need to have the NAP consistency. What is the NAP? Name, address, and phone number. So you should have the consistency on the across the platform. Let's say you are listing in the Google My Business, you may be listing in the Yelp, you may be listing in the Just Dial, you may be listing in the India Mart or whatever you have in your local country or in your local state. Okay, so you should not be confusing Google by adding different address and different business name. That means NAP is plays very important role. You need must to play this Google algorithm rule. Okay. Next, step number 4, improve your local SEO. How you can improve your local SEO? Use location-based keywords in your website, in your maybe JMB profile, in your description, and also in the when you are getting the reviews. And point number 2 in that, instead of let's say searching just I give the example of that best tailor in the town, for example, maybe Bangalore, Mumbai, or maybe Florida, New York, or maybe London, whatever the city you are. Okay, instead of just searching, like say best tailor, say that best tailor in Florida, best tailor in Bangalore, and you need to use this kind of keyword in your businesses, in your description, and also in the reviews, or whenever you are posting the content in that. Okay, and creating the post regularly, or maybe creating in the blog, or maybe adding the product, adding the service. So GMB is not a one time the board in front of your business or maybe storefront. It is a the system you need to regularly do the activity. That's what Google says that you need to do. That's what the Google algorithm says. Okay, you need to follow that. By implementing these steps, you can see massive improvement on your business for sure. Exactly. Okay, so I hope this you are going to follow in your business and you will increase your leads and customer and revenue. So if you want someone, the business owner, if you are looking someone, some expert help for to get the more customer leads or something, as I told that there is a description below in the in the comment or also in the YouTube description. Click on that and you'll be taken to my website and book an appointment with me, and my team will be consult and discuss with you. And the second point is that hit if you like this value added video, and the third, share and also subscribe. And also most important that if you are looking the free step-by-step the optimization guide, and there's again one more link to click on that and it will take to the my website and fill the form and you'll get the free PDF to know that how you can optimize that your business. Okay, with that, so we are concluding today's video. I hope this will be very valuable and insightful for you. With that, and I'm ending this video. We'll take care. Take care. Bye. And I will be seeing you in the next video.